Welcome to Fagor Professional Videos. We're going to give a tutorial on how to use our iCore oven in the advanced range by explaining how to use the Easy Cooking function. Easy Cooking is an access and display setup function for our iCore oven. It adds simple, intuitive new functions to the most important ones already found in the main version and makes it even easier to use. To access Easy Cooking, scroll down the top toolbar and select this feature. If you want to access all the oven's functions, press Easy Cooking again. Here, manual cooking is displayed, where the most relevant functions are presented for ease of use and screen intuitiveness. On accessing Easy Cooking Center, the recipes imported from Fagor Cooking Center, iCore's recipe repository, are displayed. In this particular example, we have not yet entered any recipes. This screen simplifies use of the Fagor Cooking Center by displaying and giving access to a simple, easier-to-use number of recipes. This helps to streamline the cooking process and simplifies oven use. When we access the Easy Washing screen, the different washing programs that come by default are displayed. To access the 3 Easy settings, scroll down the top panel and press the Tools button where the following functions can be activated or deactivated. The green LED indicating that the function has been enabled. Easy Manual Cooking, Easy Cooking Center, Easy Washing. Press the first icon to cancel the Easy Manual Cooking function to see how the screen would look without this function. In our example, we are going to enable this function again. Press the Import Recipes button, which then returns us to the Easy screen. To import recipes, we select the required recipes, maximum 9, from the general repository by pressing the aforesaid button. To load the recipes, select the desired recipes and press the Import button. All selected recipes are displayed on the screen. By pressing Import Recipes, more recipes or even shopping carts created by the chef themselves can be added. To cancel the Import Recipes function, go to Easy Settings. From the Easy Cooking Center, it is no longer possible to modify previously entered recipes. Follow the same steps to cancel the different washing programs. Go to Easy Settings and cancel the entire Easy Washing function. In our example, we will keep the short wash option on. This is what it looks like. We will now look at how to enable and disable restricted access and how to change your password. Restricted access is enabled by entering the password. Now only users who know the password will be given access to the settings. If we wish to change this password, we press the corresponding icon and the oven will show us the steps to follow. If you do not remember the password, you can contact the authorized Fagor Professional Technical Customer Support Service, available for all queries. This will be the interface accessible to a chef with restricted access, after setting up the Easy Cooking function.